Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 6a for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Pixel 6a is now here at Metro, so if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel device, the Pixel 6a is worth checking out here. So this phone is new to Metro, but this phone came out last year overall. The Pixel 6a is still a good phone in 2023. So yeah, so the Pixel 6a is now available in black, 128 gigabytes of storage. So this is the Pixel 6a, of course. Very nice looking phone. You guys got your front and back there, hole punch on the front, of course, for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. On the back of the phone is a dual camera setup, camera flash, Google logo and whatnot. It looks like the Pixel 6a, of course, but this is a budget version of the Pixel 6 series. It's still a good phone in 2023, so don't let that deteriorate you from buying the phone. So that's front and back, left side. On the back is a dual camera setup, camera flash, Google logo, right side power button, volume keys, and it has a in-display fingerprint sensor, I believe. So yeah. So the Pixel 6a can be yours for $49.99 when you guys get a new number. So that's a pretty cool deal. If you guys bring your number to Metro, the Pixel 6a is free, so that is a win. The full retail price of the Google Pixel 6a, $349.99, so not that bad. Like I said, this is a budget Pixel, so do keep that in mind. Yeah. So if you guys want a free phone, put your number over the Metro, and y'all guys can get a Pixel 6a for free. You can't go wrong with that. Features: 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, plus a 12.2 megapixel dual pixel wide camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 16.46 hours of talk time, 12.8 days standby time, 6.13 inch display, full HD plus, 2400 by 1080 pixel, and that is a 60 Hz display, so nothing special about the display, so keep that in mind. So your standard display there, so still not bad though. Other features include powered by Google Tensor. This has the Google Tensor, I think it has the first generation Google Tensor chip in, I think. Adaptive battery can last over 24 hours, up to 72 hours. A battery life with extreme battery saver. Magic eraser easily remove distractions. Real time represent the nuance of different skin tones. Live translate languages in real time. Titan M2 security fingerprint unlock. You do get that. And IP67 water and dust protection there. Says meet Pixel 6a. The more affordable Google phone that adapts to you, powered by Google Tensor. It's super fast and secure. The battery lasts up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. The Pixel camera captures the moment just how you experience it, and with Titan M2 security, protection is built right in. Alright. Specs: 4306 mAh battery, Type-C charging port, of course, which is standard. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and also has Wi-Fi 6E as well. Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC, so you can use Google Pay with this. It has Google Tensor chip. I think it has the first generation. I think it does Android. It has Android 13 right now. 6 gigabytes of RAM. It has 4G LTE and 5G, of course. Support email platforms, hearing aid compatibilities there, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequency. The Pixel 6a weighs 6.3 ounces, so not that bad. Dimensions: The Pixel 6a is 6 inches in height, 2.8 inches in width, and 0.35 inches depth. So what comes in the box is your Google Pixel 6a prepaid smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your SIM ejection tool. You guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. You guys will need a Type-C charger adapter. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys go. The Pixel 6a is now here at Metro for $49.99. When you guys need a new number, it's free. When you guys put your number over for retail price $349.99, definitely worth it if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel. So the specs on this phone are pretty good. Like I said, this is a budget Pixel, so keep that in mind. The only thing I don't like about the Pixel 6a, that it has a 60Hz display. That's the only thing I don't like about the phone. But other than that, the Pixel 6a has pretty good specs and features for what it is. So yeah, this is Metro's first Pixel device, so this is pretty cool, so check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.